Temperature control. In insects, there is no particular mechanism to control the temperature, so they avoid extreme temperature, too high or too low. To control body temperature, they use some behavioral mechanisms. At hottest time of the day, insects move into shades and occupy windy position so that heat loss due to evaporation and convection increased. Examples: when the body temperature is high, Praxis vilida butterfly, it is a butterfly, reduce body temperature by flying. Locusta and moth. Locusta and moth are able to raise the temperature of their body by fanning and fluttering. By fanning and fluttering the wings without flight. Fanning and fluttering the wings without flight. Cystocerca larva. This is Cystocerca. Cystocerca larva become highly active at temperature over 44 degrees centigrade. Over means not cross the upper lethal temperature, but it is high temperature. This ability is unidirectional. This activity is unidirectional and take the insect out of the immediate unfavorable area so as to avoid the unfavorable area and high temperature. Locusts show this type of behavior. Apis and Bombus, the thoracic temperature can be increased. Thoracic temperature can be increased by oscillation of the flight muscles without moving the wings, and the temperature transfer of temperature from thorax to abdomen can be transferred also. This is thorax and abdomen and transfer of temperature. Another example is social insects. The control of temperature or temperature control is very important here, and the behavior is also important. Temperature control and regulation by behavioral mechanism is highly developed in social insects. Social insect like butterfly, apis and formica. Apis and formica both are social insects. Formica block the entrance to its nest so as to stop entry of warm air. Formica and this type of behavior is also Apis also shows this type of behavior, the workers and other, so as to control the temperature.